My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2024 MG3. This vehicle has done just over 7,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have automatic headlights, and on the right we have cruise control and voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, Apple CarPlay, our setup, our tyre pressure monitoring system, pictures and video, smartphone integration and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.